If you follow the news about crypto, you may have seen stories come up every week about crypto hacks, stolen funds, and the government regulating crypto, as well as asking centralized exchanges to freeze up the funds of some individuals. All of these problems are easily solved by keeping your crypto in a cold wallet, so only you have access to your funds. Today we will see why everyone who invests in crypto should have a hardware wallet, even if you only have $100 invested. Let's get into it. One of the most important fundamentals of crypto is decentralization, basically using technology to remove third parties from financial transactions. Bitcoin is decentralized, as it works with the proof-of-work mechanism with which thousands of miners around the globe secure the Bitcoin network so that it keeps working. No government or institution can stop Bitcoin because it runs on code and it doesn't depend on any entity. This is why keeping your crypto in centralized exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, Kraken, or Gemini is an incongruency with the main principle of crypto, decentralization. We buy decentralized cryptocurrencies, but then we keep those cryptos on centralized exchanges that can't restrict our access. And even more, we have seen centralized exchanges forced to freeze the funds of some individuals because some governments requested them to do so. Even the CEO of Kraken, a centralized exchange, advised its users to keep their funds off of centralized exchanges so that the governments can't freeze their funds. Decentralized wallets emerge to solve these problems and let the user have the full control over their crypto assets. Here we have two different types of wallets. First, we have hot wallets like MetaMask, which are very versatile and easy to use. However, the problem is that it is an online wallet or hot wallet. This means that you have your wallet in your device, either your computer or your phone. The problem here is that if you have any spyware or you click in any phishing links, you can get your funds drained within minutes. And remember that MetaMask is decentralized, so you have full control of your funds. So if you lose your funds to any of these scams, they will be lost forever. There is no client support that you can reach to help you. That's why the second type of wallets emerged, cold wallets or hardware wallets. These wallets are named cold because they are never connected to the internet. Your passwords like your seed phrase and your PIN are never typed in your computer and your phone, but rather in a physical device, which is the hardware wallet that has the size of a pen drive. This way, if you want to do any kind of transaction within your wallet, your computer or your phone will request your device to approve the transaction. But once you approve the transaction by plugging in your device and typing the PIN, your computer or your phone will not know which private key your device used to approve the transaction, only that the transaction was approved by the device. There are different types of hardware wallets, but the most popular ones are the ones from the brand Ledger and Trezor. In my case, I decided to go with Ledger because I liked the versatility of their devices and their good prices. Now you may be wondering, but I just started with crypto, I don't have much money invested, do I really need a cold wallet? And the answer is yes. This is because cold wallets have a learning curve. You need to learn about how to do transactions safely, security measures for your device, what are seed phrases, and many more things. And I bet you want to practice and learn by doing small transactions with $100 worth of funds instead of doing transactions with tens of thousands of dollars of funds. It's better to learn when you're starting with crypto because if you end up making a lot of money with crypto, you want to have your security measures in place and already have figured out how to protect your funds. So this is it. I wanted to make this video because security is a very important factor in crypto and that everyone should understand and learn about. I don't want any of you losing money to scams or getting your crypto assets frozen in a centralized exchange. If you want to check out hardware wallets, you have the link in the description to my recommended brand, Ledger. I will do a follow-up video with a comparison of the two most popular devices of the brand, the Ledger Nano S and the Ledger Nano X, as I own both and I gained some experience with them over the last months. And if you enjoyed this video, remember to leave a like and subscribe to see more to the point crypto and investing content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.